Hello veterans and active duty military members. VA mortgages are the hidden gems of the mortgage world, and I'm here to show you why they're amazing. These loans are backed by the Department of Veterans Affairs, allowing you to get a home loan with zero down payment. Yes, zero. Plus, there's no private mortgage insurance required. It's the government's way of saying, thank you for your service. You might wonder, what's the catch? Well, there isn't one. VA loans often have lower interest rates than conventional loans and are more forgiving with credit scores. You can even use your VA loan benefit multiple times. It's not a one-and-done deal. If you're eligible for a VA loan, you'd be wise to consider it. For more info or to see if you qualify, reach out to me. Let's get you into your dream home.